This is ALCATEL T110 Smart, and today I will show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So first step you need to take is to launch settings. Then you gotta find and open the Google category. Onwards, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button right below the Google account itself. Then open the Data and Privacy section, scroll it all the way down and go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Now, in order to continue, we will need to input the Google account password, so let me quickly do that off the screen. So input the password, click the Next button, then finish the account deletion procedure. So once the Google account gets deleted, that ultimately means that the parental controls should have been already deactivated. Sometimes it might take a minute or two for the system to properly synchronize itself and to acknowledge those changes. But as far as I can see, everything should have already been finished. And if I will go for the Google category, or open it rather, you are going to see that there is no Google account over here. And if I will open up the list of parental controls, they're still here, but they're actually not, since there is no Google account over here. As I've already said, it might take some time for the system to properly synchronize. And at this point, you just gotta believe me that the parental controls are deactivated. The last thing that I would like to show how you can do is how to recover or restore the Google account you have just deleted, since perhaps you do not want to lose it. And well, restoring or recovering the account is a piece of cake to do. You will simply need to sign into any Google app or service with it. I usually use the Play Store for this purpose, so I'll just sign into the Play Store with the account I have just deleted, and no worries, the parental controls will not return alongside the account, so there is no risk at all. Let me relaunch the Google Play Store. For some reason it takes it a hot minute to... okay, never mind. So input your account credentials, starting with an email address. Then you should see the following message that indicates that you did everything right. After this message appears, follow it by inputting the account password, and usually the first time you try to sign in to the app with the recently deleted Google account, you will get the following error message. That's completely fine, do not be afraid. Simply re-enter the account credentials. So that is exactly what I'm going to do now. And the second time it usually allows you to go through. And as you can see, since we can continue the sign-in or the login procedure, that ultimately already tells us that the account was recovered or restored. So now you're gonna simply finish the regular Google login stuff, such as accepting Google services, terms, and what's not, managing your account preferences or whatever is that it will throw at us. And it is now apparent that the account is restored, everything is fine. Parental controls were also deactivated since there is no parental controls icon over there. And well, as I told you, the parental controls page might take a few minutes to synchronize itself and acknowledge all the changes we've made. So yep, that will be more or less it for this video. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.